Join me today to see how I made these amazing, delicious, smoky buffalo chicken meatballs. Stay tuned. Alright, so today we're going to be making some of what I do for my meal prep, which is some buffalo style chicken meatballs. First thing to do is get our sauce ready. So to my blender cup, going to crack 4 eggs. And I should have started by saying use as many eggs as you have pounds of meat. If you're using 5 pounds, 2 pounds, you'd use 5 eggs or 2 eggs. After that, cut the littlest bit off our scallions. Fold these in half a few times. And cram them in our cup. I'm going to use a third, maybe half a cup, depending on how spicy you want it. The third cup of some Frank's Red Hot. Get that done. And then, again, however many pounds of meat you're using, you want to use that many cloves of garlic. So I will be using roughly 4 tablespoons of some garlic here. 1, 2, 3, and 4. That's all wet, so we're going to put our lid on here. And we're going to blend this on low for about 1 minute. I'll bring it back then. Alright, so after 1 minute, take that off. Set this to the side. This is 4 pounds of some chicken thighs that I ground up earlier. I'll cut to some B-roll of that now. And you want to use chicken thighs, not chicken breast. Just going to be too dry if you use chicken breast. I was thinking about using pork this time, but I didn't want to. First time I ever shoot these, I didn't want these to be bad by using pork. All right, so we're going to take our wet, add that to our chicken. Here I have 1 cup, some breadcrumbs. If you wanted to keep this more in the keto range, I thought about using pork rinds, but again, I didn't want to try anything new this time, so just going to do it old. And here I have 7.5 ounces of blue cheese crumbles. I love blue cheese, so I use more than a lot of people would. Probably scale this back down to 4 or 5 ounces for the majority of people. Last but not least, I usually use salt and pepper, but this time I'm going to be using some Goldie's all-purpose rub. Not a lot here. We got to rely on the blue cheese and the spice from the wet to get a lot of the flavoring. So just about 2 tablespoons total. So we're just going to mix this by hand now. Get this all mixed together. And so while I'm doing this, I want you guys go down in the comments below and tell me what your favorite meal prep meal is. All right, that's thoroughly mixed. Let me go and get set up to get these put into a pan, and I'll bring you right back. After cleaning everything up, I got my pan here we're going to use. I'm just going to food lube it up. And here I have that same 1/3 scoop that I used before. So we'll just scoop. And then we'll just make some little balls, put them on here. Alright, got all these made up. I'm going to put these in the fridge for about an hour to let them solidify a little bit, let the flavors meld, and then we'll get these on the grill. I'm going to go ahead and get my pellet grill started. Going to do them about 225 to start with for about an hour, then we'll crank the temp up. I'll bring you back when it's time to get them on. Just a quick shot of the setup. Nothing special today. I do have a pan right here just to deflect some heat. Other than that, I'll take another rack just to spread out more. Using this one. Go ahead and get some of these moved over. So now we got space around all of these. Go and let these go for about an hour, 225, and I'll come out, turn the temperature up, and bring you with me. Alright, still 225, about an hour and a few minutes later. Go and get a temp check on some of these. 145. 145. Cooking pretty evenly. That's 150. 150. Way over here. Yeah. So I'm just gonna let these go a little bit longer. I was worried we were sitting too low. We're really not. Probably let these go another hour, come out and test them again. Still 225. $165 on about all of these. I think we're ready to take these in. I'll get these inside, cooled off, and we'll give them a taste test. As you can see here, we have our delicious buffalo chicken meatballs out of the smoker, cooled down. We're going to get these guys into a bowl here. Alright, then what I have here is just some buffalo sauce I make. It's nothing more than Frank's and butter. To me, that's what buffalo sauce should be. Put a nice healthy squirt on all of these. Gotta be a little gentle with them. Alright, what do you guys think? Time for a taste test here? There you go. Look at that. Absolutely delicious. So good. Absolutely one of the best meal preps you can ever do. We're still pretty hot too. Oh, delicious. So also one of my other favorite ways to enjoy these is to put one or two of them, break it up on top of some romaine, drizzle some blue cheese, or I guess if you want ranch dressing, if you're that type of person. But these are so good. You can't go wrong with them. Simple to make, pretty cheap if you can find your chicken on sale. What are your favorite things to put in the smoker to meal prep? Let me know in the comments down below. While you're there, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out this other amazing video.